Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can redeem Temu gift cards and add credit using Rewardable. So let's begin. So if you are not familiar, Rewardable is actually a third-party website in which you can top up or claim various gift cards from various e-wallets out there and online subscriptions. So you can look up for Rewardable as what I did. This would be their official website. Click on that, and this is the homepage just to make sure you are on the right platform. And then scroll down, you will see the option for Timo. Click on that. You can read everything from top to bottom just to make sure that you are going to get comfortable about this process, and then you can click on redeem for Temu. It will ask for your email address. Make sure that is the same email address you're using on your account in Temu, okay? And then the 16-digit code in your Temu gift card. So once you've double check everything, click on redeem now. A new page will show. They will ask you the same information just to clarify that it's accurate. And they would like to ask how much you would like to redeem in your gift card. Once you've confirmed and provided all information, just take note that this process, like uh, redeeming the code, might take a few minutes. But once done, they will send you a message in the same website. Just make sure do not refresh the page while it is processing. They will provide you with a message that the transaction has been completed. You should now be able to check the funds in your Timo account, and they will also provide you with an email. So that's it. That's how you successfully redeem Timo gift cards using this website. So I hope you found this video very helpful.